In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a spreadsheet to Pipedrive. We'll walk through the process from inside your Pipedrive account. So go ahead and log in and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see an option with 3 dots, often labeled as More. Click on those 3 dots, and from that menu choose Import Data. This is where Pipedrive lets you bring in information from spreadsheets and other systems. On the import page, you'll see a button that says Get Started. Click that to begin the import process. Pipedrive will guide you through a series of simple screens. On the first screen that appears, just click Next to move forward. Now you'll be asked to upload your spreadsheet file. You can either click to browse your computer and select the file, or you can drag and drop the spreadsheet right into the upload area. Make sure your file is saved in a supported format, like CSV or Excel, and that your column headers are clear, such as name, email, or deal value. Clean, well-labeled data will make the next steps much easier. After your file is uploaded, a pop-up will appear. Here, click Continue with Import, and then click Next again. This tells Pipedrive that this is the file you want to use and moves you into the field mapping stage. On the mapping screen, you'll see the columns from your spreadsheet on one side and the Pipedrive fields on the other. Go through each one and match them up correctly. For example, map your spreadsheet's first name column to the first name field in Pipedrive, and do the same for things like email addresses, phone numbers, and organization names. Take a moment to double-check your mappings. Accurate mapping prevents messy data later. When you're happy with it, click Next. You'll now see a preview of the records that are about to be imported. This is your chance to quickly scan for anything that looks off, like data in the wrong column or missing values. If everything looks good, click Next again. In the next window, Pipedrive will ask what to do if it finds duplicates. You'll see 2 options: Merge Data, which combines matching records, or Create Multiple Records, which adds everything as new. Choose the option that best fits your workflow and how you manage contacts or deals in your account. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click Start Import. Pipedrive will begin processing your spreadsheet, and your data will be added to your account based on the options you selected.